Hi students, today we are going to discuss about coordination compound and double salt. Do you know how we are making coordination compound and double salt? Usually when two or more stable compounds in equimolar solution mixed together and allowed to evaporate, then we'll get a new product that may be either coordination compound or double salt. Based on their character, we will identify whether it is coordination compound or double salt. We will see the difference between these two. How can we identify which one is double salt or coordination compound? Right. Here there are two equimolar solutions. Right, ferrous sulfate, another one ammonium sulfate. What is meant by equimolar solution? Before we should know molar. The molar means the number of moles of solute per liter of a solution. The number of moles of a liter of a solution. See here, the number of moles of solute per liter. This is the molar, the number of moles of a solute per liter. We know that 1 mole means 6.023 into 10 power 23. Right. For example, if we take 10 mole of ferrous sulfate, then we need to take same 10 mole of ammonium sulfate. These both solution were considered as equimolar solution. Right. For example, when equimolar solution of ferrous sulfate and ammonium sulfate are mixed and allowed to crystallize. Here, the double salt, namely more salt, is formed. This is the more salt. Ferrous sulfate, ammonium sulfate is 6H2O. This is the more salt we'll get. Right. This is the first point. Second, answer for ferric 2 plus, ammonium plus and sulfate 2 minus. When you dissolve more salt into the solution, it will breaks like ferric 2 plus and NH4 plus and SO4 2 minus ions. This is the simple ions. Third point, double salts dissociate into simple ions in the solution. After dissociate the solution, it will give the simple ion. Simple ion means ferric 2 plus, ammonium plus, sulfate plus, like this. It will break easily. Right. Double salts lose their identity and dissociates into their constituent simple ions in solutions. Already I told you, after dissolving the double salt, lose their behavior, lose their identity, and it gives simple ions. From this we can identify easily this is the double salt. Right. Let us go to coordination compound. Here also we have to take two equimolar solution. For example, ferric chloride and potassium thiocyanate mixed together to allow to crystallize. We will get potassium ferrithiocyanate. Potassium ferrithiocyanate. But here does not answer for ferric 3 plus and thiocyanate ions. we cannot breaks like simple ions like double salt, because this is the complex ion. This is the complex ion. Coordination compounds does not dissociate into simple ions in the solution. Coordination compounds does not dissociate into simple ions like ferric 3 plus, SCN minus, like this we can't break. Let me take one example. Potassium ferrithiocyanate, under dissociation we will get only anionic part, cationic part. This one is anionic complex ion, not simple ion. We will get only cationic part of potassium, and ferric thiocyanate anionic complex only we will get. We cannot split this coordination entity. From this we can identify this is the coordination compound. Coordination compound does not lose its identity, does not lose their behavior, and never dissociate to give simple ions. It cannot give simple ions, only give complex ion. From this, what we have to find out? The double salt lose their identity easily, dissociate easily to give simple ions. But here coordination compound does not lose its identity and never dissociate to give simple ion. That's it. Thank you, students.